Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back inside Roblox Rivals, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you all the latest and 100% working Rivals codes for 2026. Now listen very carefully. I've got a lot of working codes to redeem in this video. So whatever you do, do not skip, do not leave, and make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Otherwise, you will miss out on some of the best free rewards available right now. Before we jump into redeeming the codes, I want to announce something important. I am currently doing a Rivals giveaway, where you can win anything you want from the in-game shop. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below your Roblox username, and most importantly, watch this video completely until the end. If you skip the video, you will not be entered into the giveaway. As you can see on the screen, I currently have over 1 million Robux ready to give away. So if you are not participating in these giveaways, you are seriously missing out. Alright guys, now that's out of the way, we have a lot of working Rivals codes to get through. So without wasting any more time, let's start redeeming the newest codes in the game. If you don't know how to redeem codes in Rivals, don't worry. Here's exactly what you need to do. Go to the bottom of your screen, click on Shop, then click on More, and select Codes. Once you're here, you'll see the code redemption box. Make sure you type the codes exactly as I show you on screen. These codes are in random order, so stay till the end to make sure you don't miss any. Alright, let's start redeeming all the working Rivals codes right now.